Hello guys, hello everyone and these hot days. I want to tell you that our today's class will be about drawing cakes in a watercolor style, and I'll tell you the whole steps that you need to follow, and I will also share with you my custom brushes that I created totally for free, and also you can check my whole brush set that I created following the link in the description of the class. So let's get started. Well guys, today I will teach you how to create texture paper, and it's pretty easy. So we need to be on a new layer, and for that I go here, I will tap insert the file, and here I have a paper. So I'll use it here, I will move it slightly. And guys, all my brushes that I'm using today and texture paper, you can download following the link in the description of the video. So I insert a file that is our texture paper. Now I want to duplicate it a couple of times, actually 4 times, and I want to merge 2 layers together and 2 layers together, and after I will move to linear burn mode and to color burn, and after that I will duplicate that again and I will merge linear burn modes and color burn with each other, and after that, wait, I will lower the opacity of my linear burn mode, and that's it. And after I can group them, for example. So that's it, we made our texture paper, and I think it would be enough for us this time. So well, next step is I already have my reference picture that I found on a website, Unsplash. So but we will start with tracings, and I will lower the opacity first, and after I need to create a texture, I need to create a layer that is above our reference picture, and that will be our tracing layer. And I go and grab my 6B pencil, not mine, it's Procreate 6B pencil in a sketching set, you see it here, and let's start tracing. So I want to be underneath my texture layer. That will help me to reach those watercolor look with brushes that I'm using. And I'm gonna go and grab my Boo Gentle, like my Boo Main Opaque Watercolor. Let me find it. Yeah, here. So now let's start. And speaking about colors, once again we need to be on a new layer, and we grab our brush, and I'll tell you how can you grab some colors. So what you can do for that, just tap here, and after tap the color you like, and now we have that color, and now we can start coloring. Next step, I want to grab the color that is slightly darker, and I want to keep adding that. So cool. Now I'm gonna go and grab my Boo Gentle Blender watercolor brush. I will add it to the description, so you can download this brush as well, totally for free. So yep. And guys, if you want to check my other brushes from 2 sets that I created, please, I can add to the description of the class the link to my brush set. And also I am preparing a new brush set that It might be available maybe next week, next week, we'll see. Watercolor eraser, and I want, because here you see we have some light spots and we need to emphasize them as well. And we move to the next part, and this is like the top of our tiny pie, and also the colors slightly different. Also guys, play around with the colors. Don't fill your pie with your cake with just one color, one shade. Obviously use different color variations. And also if you want to emphasize on white spots, like as I do, so here we need to blend a lot. So mostly top of our cream is like whiter, slightly whiter. Now let's move to ice cream. And ice cream is slightly white also, but we have shades on it. Let's make it creamy, maybe. Yep, something between pink and white color and a little bit grayish. Well, sometimes you might leave those sharp edges, it's normal. So, and you see we have those white dots that I erased, like I didn't even mention that. So let's just grab our eraser and add those white dots. Also, they have light side and dark side. I'm a huge fan of strawberry, that's why I choose this picture. Maybe not black, take dark red color and increase the opacity. And still after that you need to blend it. Okay, cool. Now I want to turn off our reference layer and I want to add some shades as well. Yep. As you see, it's so beautiful, but still we have some things that we need to improve. So I want to blend some colors that are overlapping each other, or don't blend as I want to see that. So now we can blend those shades from two sides. See, it can blend in a leaf and you can blend the actual shade, and you can blend the shade like it's spreading to our cream. Because in actual watercolor, when we draw, you sometimes can't control the bleeding of your watercolor. That's it. Now we can turn off our reference picture, move slightly, right here. Increase the size, like this, and add shade. You can merge together layers enough to bleed the colors one in each other, you see here. Okay, so and the last step, I want to add some splashes. That's it, guys. That was our class about watercolor cake, and we did it. So see each other later.